So Canva just got a massive upgrade with 5 incredible AI features. We're talking about the layout wizardry of Magic Switch, the physics-defying powers of Magic Grab and Expand, the instant studio-grade generation of Magic Media, the semantic paintbrush of Magic Edit, and the mind-bending 3D textures of Magic Morph. Each of these features is completely changing how we design, edit, and bring our creative ideas to life. No complex design skills needed, and absolutely no steep learning curves. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in to see what these game-changing features are all about. Let's start with the first feature, Magic Switch. Imagine this. You've just spent hours crafting the perfect, highly detailed slide presentation for a major business meeting. It looks spectacular. But now, your team wants a written summary memo. Your marketing manager wants an outlined blog post. And your social media lead wants the whole thing translated into Japanese. In the past, this meant hours of copying, pasting, redesigning, and reformatting. With Magic Switch, that headache is completely gone. What is Magic Switch? It's a tool that takes your existing design and instantly translates or reformats it into a completely different document type. With a single click, you can transform a presentation into a structured blog post, an executive summary, or a clean email draft. But that's not all. Let's say you need to launch a marketing campaign globally. Instead of translating your graphics slide by slide, you can open the translation panel, select your target language from over 100 choices, and click Apply. The AI automatically translates the words and adjusts the text box scaling so your design layout remains perfectly clean and professional. It turns hours of tedious administrative work into a simple 2-click process. Next up, we have Magic Grab and Expand. This is a 2-in-1 photo editing feature that completely changes how you interact with static images. Let's look at Magic Grab first. Have you ever found the perfect photo, but the subject is just slightly in the wrong position? Or maybe you want to move an object to make room for text. Typically, separating a subject from its background requires expert Photoshop skills and endless magnetic lassoing. With Magic Grab, you click the button, and the AI instantly separates the subject from the background, making it an independent, movable layer. You can literally drag the puppy across the screen, resize it, or delete it entirely. The AI automatically fills in the empty space behind the subject with matching grass, shadows, and textures, as if the puppy was always standing on the right. But what if your photo is too narrow for your layout? That's where Magic Expand comes in. Instead of cropping out important details or leaving ugly empty borders, you simply drag the crop boundaries outward. The AI looks at your original photo and seamlessly paints a brand new background, adding more snowy trees, hills, and clouds that perfectly match the original style. It gives you absolute layout flexibility, saving you from ever having to search for a new photo just because the aspect ratio was wrong. Moving on to our third feature, Magic Media. This tool is your personal creative powerhouse for generating images and video clips entirely from scratch. Sometimes, stock photos and graphic elements just aren't enough to capture the exact vision in your head. You need something completely custom, unique, and dynamic. With Magic Media, you describe exactly what you want to see, choose an art style, and let the AI generate high-quality visuals in seconds. If you need motion, you can even generate short, realistic video clips. Say you need a background visual of waves gently crashing on a black sand beach under a neon moon. You just type it in, and the AI generates a beautiful, fluid, high-resolution video that you can drop directly into your social media posts or presentation slides. It's like having an entire visual effects studio ready to create custom stock footage on demand. The fourth exciting addition is Magic Edit. This is a semantic photo retouching tool that makes professional image manipulation incredibly easy. Imagine you have a fantastic lifestyle photo for your business, but a small detail doesn't match your current marketing campaign. Maybe your model is holding a plain white coffee mug, but you want to run a holiday promotion. With Magic Edit, you don't need to do a new photo shoot. You simply brush over the object you want to change, type what you want to replace it with, and watch the AI swap it out instantly. The AI matches the lighting, shadows, and textures of the original photo so perfectly that the new object looks 100% natural. You can use it to swap out clothing colors, add flowers to a table, or change product packaging in seconds, making your existing content library infinitely reusable. Finally, we have Magic Morph. This creative tool takes plain, flat, vector elements or text and transforms them into stunning, textured, three-dimensional art. If you are trying to make a poster title, logo, or presentation slide stand out, flat lettering can sometimes feel a bit boring. Usually, creating realistic textures requires learning complex 3D modeling software. With Magic Morph, you just select your flat text or icon, describe the texture you want, and click Apply. Want your text to look like it's crafted from molten gold, glowing neon tubes, fluffy clouds, or even wet wood? You just type the prompt, and the AI instantly wraps your element in a hyper-realistic, beautifully shaded 3D texture. It's an incredible way to add instant visual depth to your headings and graphic elements in a matter of seconds. So there you have it. 5 incredible AI features from Canva's Magic Studio that are completely changing how we design and create. These features don't just speed up your workflow, they level the playing field, giving professional-grade photo editing and creative power to absolutely everyone. Canva is no longer just a drag-and-drop design app. It's an intelligent, creative companion that unleashes your imagination. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more updates on AI and technology, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.